How to link a private story on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you steps on how you can link a private story on Snapchat. So in order to do it, first thing, make sure to update your application to the latest version and also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now in order to link a private story on Snapchat, first thing, you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your application, in the top left corner, click on your Bitmoji. So after you click on the Bitmoji, you'll be taken to your profile page, and in the top right corner, click on this your icon. Once you're on the settings page, you'll be able to see a list of options under it. Scroll down to the section that is privacy control, and under it, click on view my story. Once you've done this, you need to click on custom in order to change it. Now you need to select the list of people or the people that you don't want them to see your story. For example, I'm just gonna randomly select it. Now this amount of people will not be able to see your story. Now click on block, and as you do this particular people or the selected people will not be able to see my story. Once you've done this, now head back to your home page. Now take a random snap in order to add it to your story. Now once you've taken a snap, now click on this paperclip icon in order to paste in the link. After that, you need to click on allow. You need to copy the link that you want to add it on your Snapchat. So since I've already copied the link, now as you can see that the link has been pasted. Now click on this paperclip icon once again. As you can see, this particular link has been added. Now you need to click on next in order to upload it and click on my story. And after that, you need to click on my story and then click on this arrow icon once again and click on enable. Once you've done this, the story will be added and only the amount of people that you've selected will be able to see your Snapchat story. So this way you can link a private story on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.